Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Hypic app on iOS. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap the search bar at the bottom and type Hypic in the search bar. Once you see the Hypic app in results, tap the Get button. You might need to verify your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to start download. After tapping, wait a few seconds. The app will download and install automatically. You will see the Hypic icon appear on your iPhone home screen. Tap the Hypic icon to open the app. The first time you open it, the app may ask for permissions like notifications or photo access. You can allow them or skip. It's up to you. Now, if you don't have an account, tap Sign In to create one using your email, phone number, or social login. If you already have an account, just log in and that's it. The Hypic app is now installed and ready to use on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.